So guys, I thought I would polish this. As you can see, it's very faded, and it will make a better all-over appearance when we reinstall it. So I'm gonna polish this now, and I will show you the results. So here I'm using my mini sander with a hard polishing pad with just some generic car polish. And you can also do this by hand, just requires a little bit more elbow grease. But you can easily get the same good results by hand. So guys, here, that didn't take long. But now you can see we have a bit more, a better finish here. That will make a huge difference in my opinion. It's like just the small details that can make or break the look of a car in the end. And this look way faded. And now it's shining and looks